So the market's saying, oh yeah, you're reachable. The expected move is only this far away. And you're saying, oh yeah, I made that expected move last week and I can make that twice on Tuesday. But the problem is that it took the premium and the decay rate went way up. So by the time the 0 DTE session opens, you're working with just a sliver of what used to be on the table. You have less premium. Less premium means less profit potential, full stop. So you get to today, the premium's all gone, and you just don't have as much to deal with. So it changes the whole equation. Even if you can put a fly closer, it doesn't help you. So to fix it, the fix is reconstruction or reassembly. You go get back what was taken. So how do you get volatility back? Where does volatility come from? You think that volatility is just something that comes around every once in a while because somebody tripped over the power cord or something? No, volatility is in time. The more time that you have, the more volatility that you have. The more volatility that you have, the more premium you have. So what that really means is that there are some times when 0 DTE just isn't the trade and you can't trade it. So you have to go a little bit better, maybe 1 DTE or 2 DTE. You get it? So by expanding your time horizon out, and listen, you don't really have to expand it all that much. And this is a trick that I'm going to tell you about. So again, what's the answer? You have to answer this. How do you get volatility back? You extend time. You got to look at the arithmetic. Sigma times the square root of t. Sigma times the square root of time. If sigma is small, then you grow t. The further you go out in time, the more volatility that you collect. 1 day out, 2 days out, that's where you are. You are literally buying back the reachability that the quiet tape took away simply by going out 1 or 2 days. But you can go out 1 or 2 days without giving up much and not sitting there looking at the market. And we'll talk about that in a second. But that's the double-edged sword. The further out you go, the greater the uncertainty. More time means the market has more room to wander. And you bought back reach and you paid for it not knowing where price is going to land. So how do you get the premium back? Same lever, but the other face. You start the trade a day or two earlier before the decay ran. In a low vol tape, the burn is fast. So instead of showing up at 9:30 on expiration day to fight over leftovers, you enter a 1 or 2 DTE and you're the one holding the fastest part of the burn. You collected the premium before it decayed away. And again, the same edge cuts you. Early entry, more price uncertainty. So notice what happened. Both recoveries, the volatility and the premium, you get them back, charge you in the exact same price, uncertainty where the price will be, right? What is it? You pay Peter to pay Paul, or you steal from Peter and pay Paul? It's kind of like Whac-A-Mole. You hit one and then you get another one pops up. You fixed these two problems and created one. And the one you created is a targeting problem. See, a single butterfly is a precision instrument. It's just one tent, one landing zone. And it's the right tool when the expected move is your whole world and the session is measured in hours, but you just added a day or two of wander to the flight path. One tent is now too small a target for the uncertainty that you just took on to try to fix the problem of no premium and no volatility. So the answer to a double-edged problem is a double-edged body structure. We call this the 1 or 2 DTE Batman, or just the Batman. It's 2 butterflies, 2 bodies, twin peaks. That's why we call it the Batman, because it looks like Batman's ears. It sticks up like this. You put 2 tents side by side, and the payoff silhouette is like the Batman's hat. And yes, it looks exactly like the cowl. That is exactly where the name comes from. It covers a wider landing zone. Price can come down in either body or in the valley between them, or you are standing in profit territory on the top of the structure. So the caveat to all of this is that you have a valley that has no potential, but you make sure that risk is super small, the same as we do with a regular butterfly. And then you have a butterfly on either side.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.